Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I know it's been a minute, you guys, since I did a coupon haul, but you guys, this haul was done last week and these same deals is going on this week. So this is definitely a run deal. All right, you guys, what you are looking at right now is 12 different transactions. 3 scope transactions and actually 4 Colgate transactions and also 5 Tide transactions. So let's start with the scope. I had 3 ECBs of $5, so I rolled them into the scope deal. Buy one, get back $3. So that was a win-win deal. So I did the scope 3 different times and got back $3, and then I rolled it into my Tide deal, which I did 5 times on 5 different cards, and I also used my Care Pass and I rolled it into that deal, which my out-of-pocket for each one of these Tides was roughly one was $1 and some change, the other ones was like $3 and some change. And I actually kind of broke even with those Tide deals because I used my Care Pass plus the $3 that I got for the scope. So when it comes to, so here's the transactions right here. You see my Care Pass on this one, my Care Pass on that one, and my Care Pass on this one here, plus the $2, and my Care Pass on this one. So you can see my out-of-pocket was $3.02 on most of them. I misplaced one of my receipts. So when it came to the Colgate, I did that 4 different times on 4 different cards, which I wind up coming out of pocket roughly $18, but I got back $20, making those free, and I got back $5 on each one of these transactions, as you can see right here. And this deal could have been even better if you had clipped your coupons. I did have a $2 ECB. But if you had your coupons clipped on the app, the digitals, you would have came out of pocket less than what I did. Now, one of my transactions, I came out of pocket less than one of the deals, which was pretty good. But if I would have clipped on all my accounts, that would have made it even better. So make sure you are clipping your coupons like this one right here. I had the $3 off, so my out-of-pocket was $3.19, which was really, really good, and I got back $5. So if you have your CVS coupon clip, your out-of-pocket will be less, all right? So as you can see, I got back $5 on each one of those transactions, making my toothpaste free, and I will roll these $5 into another deal for this week. I just got to check on what are the promotions this week so that I can use up the rest of my ECBs of my $20. So this deal again is still on promotion. Tide Scope, the Colgate Optic White, and you can still get out there and do them. Run deal. Hurry up and get these done before Sunday. Roll in for the next sales. All right, family, this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys really, really soon in the garden. So until then, be safe, be blessed. Peace.